Inti parliament no bibie ni a ye kasa bia aba na ese to. Inti NDC for and a majority for no de bia no omunya omuwe. But yes, we always also have our say.
Okay.
It me pense. So be idea dance yes, even though a hold in this a bass a better banner idea. And so someone a dim puntu din koso ebe bagana no. Ye minority for no. Ye na ye peja. So be idea dance here. Say in leader or sahin. And then in pennyful leadership no. Mo boy juma. Yes, so a kahon so no. Your bomb chidom.
Okay.
The Ghana and Sama, the one I say I could some by. In ya sorry waka. A defend the cocoa farmers. So ni Ghana ha. Ye pet and your mamma and puntu ni koso bagana pa. A cocoa ni good.
Okay.
Maybe a chum cried and can do na
cocoa.
Yang NPP for. Omo muti yoku. JB Dankwa. Any bafo akoto. Omo nyina kura for.
That's right.
Omo family nyina kura for. Omo so omo be di party nanim. Uyi Victor Usu, uyi Professor Buzia. Uyi Victor Usu. Adubuahin. J Kufuado. Omo nyina from Cocoa family. Masa kura for. Nyina Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Krade, or Papa, no a chief executive for Ghana Cocoa Board. Into Cocoa Assembly in here.
Okay.
Na in see Ghana da. Set cocoa price. That is so. You been see that. Impo, we are see ye ding. COVID-19 by we are see ye ding. Your taxes is 7 year call for your revenue in call for the antico course. And so about we buy cocoa bo a course ropa, nurse and comoto, or manto, or hair man in bar form, and a mocotoy, and a buying boka. Into a buying fort.
They are buying boka.
A buying a fort. Now, Basana, send it Tibian, you don't push the burden
on the cocoa farmer.
Poor farmer. You don't. And so no about eja abuko about munya bibre ni ntino so mutimi yo mode do mpebia no moye kasa kire mo muntie wo de eyi no beba the funny say e be a rules as no account beba do e be titi so by economy no we manage it because what baba mu da what kwa baba mu da wonim say sika sometimes we project say ubenya no bia wonya ene to say finance minister can say the wage bill inquire about 44%. That is the reality. Until you spend prudently. At the time I want chills cocoa no farmers suffer. Production and productivity will go down.
Yeah.
But say in sika.
And the purchasing power will go down.
Exactly.
Depending yes.
Didn't say farmer who children.
Almost say more jakato. Ebio. So mo kan sada bia ekaba na ye ko pobusia be ya e ka da hormon tumintua enti omo ne akuafo ni nyina no almost they are even giving the farmer over 95% of the cocoa price.
They whatever they will try to justify the omoyen. They will try, but the key important thing is that in akwa bam in term of which buy cocoa farmers punish almost. Because we sir now say okay a castle. I can't want to buy. Cocoa has been there for some time. One of the major reasons why I can buy cocoa board a decision to use cocoa money to build roads, for instance.
Cocoa roads.
Earlier on in Kentisa, when I started Europe we need time and I can buy. Of course, since you buy, but also, but in like but you don't blame Ubi say win the money buy.
There's a no fan kushekweni.
The cocoa rows not can package because say rural areas, well, I'll call them agricultural roads and rural roads. And quite kitting in no by no we are any cocoa near the new year important. But I say a broso. Am I this can do na shame my kabai. But the point we are trying to say is say a coba dear dancer, you don't put the shift the burden on the farmer. For instance, I buy a koto plane, for instance, at this time. You see, I make a say, you're playing with presidential jet or a core refurbishment. This last year, in a core refurbishment, I could do bare 4 months cry. It's been overhauled completely. Playing my Branham Jubilee House. One of the best planes you can get.
I don't know, many deputy minister, you can see, or my penny to kind and see, I go Ethiopia, crank, and na command their Kobamu say M1.
They didn't say M1.
Some year Omuko Kaya refurbishment, you must say who say 4 to whom.
Really, any maintain.
Deputy Minister Defense.
A day fought.
A judge and fee.
A day fought in the womb. I don't make country. But plain here, you know, say maybe a chiefs be koha near form.
Was this or he be cobe be an visa, but for long journey, say, or man penny to call American now or Korea, no near the aeroplane name what?
Well,
into a more tough fro.
Well,
and 9 helicopter now.
It be at a point, you may need a plane, but critical timer. Farmers want chill, say no. Okay, don't do that.
It's for you, no. Some way no any priority. Say koto plane aba.
Exactly. You see, anything I'm saying about roads. You see, I'm catching Muslim in this code. Any pay apply for cyber security services. Muslim in this can with you, into no 5,000 as I say.
No man penny so move 5 count.
Exactly.
But I no. Is it budgeted for? 5,000 a bad. Well, maybe budget no.
I'm budgeted for. Maybe the mid-year review no mobile.
Be on the bishop.
Okay. My opinion, customer, they will find a way. But it wasn't budgeted for. It's media review. We expect to be a beba. Okay. We will look at it. But the point I'm trying to say is economic management. For instance, the crowd commerce road I'm cooking on summer. Almost say me pass on to my at forcing. Wo so me pass on to my. Now obi a so di dance here. Say me period am serve all mine. And no my yen asante man. Obi a di ho dance.
That's right.
Now what some na can say? We are talking about management of resources.
Okay.
Ghana Hano, Oko Highway Authority. Yeah, plan. The rules of Ghana. And as our plan now, you can say the most important road is Accra Kumasi. So we know a bit my economy now. President Kofo started say, "Oh yeah, highway. This is your one session, a dual carriage. One session, oh streets. Yeah, manaka 94 kilometers. Pe. We say, oh yeah." And I say investment be brave so. Say Pukuasi interchange. Any of Anconia, lead to that road. Yeah. Oba also one ye. Nemum on twaso. But ube isika. I say up to now, crowd won't me estimate how much it will cost.
Even as at now.
As at now, won't me.
Oh my studies.
18 seconds. Sika. Oh, Sika out there, sir. And like quickly. Which we completed the President for
94 kilometers now.
Akana. President for started here. Mahama Mills buyer abandon. And I could find about resume construction on it.
You could find Yamanaka 94 kilometers.
Yes. The 94 crane, you say a dual diversion from the critical choke points on the road in Sawam. Sorry, Konongo, Usino, Inyirisi, and Inyinem.
Telebea
Subeti. Oh, but says Kananka, what's the way new one? And how to complete where we are. Cabinet, the Akan, would be other rules. And I'm President Mahama of the state, Jenny Sampa Road. When I'm the Coma contractor, 2024. Omo buy omo nya ho hwe and on the president call inspector. Miss all corner contractor no, and so course. The mark contractor this can. Says can also be a new road. And cabit may be a contractor. I see a very important road because cashew, yeah, no side area only them. Into yeah, between the cashew now Bantama export. So this is a cashew, is a cash cropper in your scabby brief. It is all about economic management. But on mobile, no, I dear beer, papa beer, NPP, and one person mujai. Now Mahama, the major interest. And he said, sir, 4 years no. Also, we be editing. But I be now here. Is it prudent? The idea beboa. So what I say, because we already 4 years there. Oba, I will say quickly, we obey a new road. With the 3 years nebe. Now best start the beginning of this year. This year, feasibility study is going on. There's no feasibility study for the. There's no design. You knew the cost of the project. Even as at now.
I say also we clearing nomni adi near good nomni adi.
How crowd there? Any compensation is a new way. Farmers be brave or so in so it's going to be a big project. But I'm saying that Zescan think the completely president before the no start here na enka if super ban for so amagana I seen you see I'm wasting time I no ma be brave no ma any kwan so mo ye. So and as a kwan president before start here baby a fan sa wom fa nyina mo outside the Koforidua na fa be sin kokko with the Kokko mountains inside the Afram plains. So what I say, these are economic zones.
Okay.
Afram plains in the budget no or more retreat Kufuado's budget proposal say yenye a bridge from Ko and Afram plains. Because Afram plains no, there's a national plan to make the bread basket of Ghana.
I just say
now the bridge you got to Subi, which will be the longest bridge in Ghana. Now we na one year quina. I didn't know. Must be concrete. Be quite which na as soon as one say.
Okay.
It's obviously it's just I say a month say planning for the development of the country. It's just Mahama's dream be in a way, but that particular one, and given the fact that you need to see here, you want tree or no breed. You say nurses into me, you cannot employ them more school. Teachers, you cannot employ them. Says we no. Sani we in Heska, say Edomo Ekoyajuma, and so see. It's all about the management of the economy, it's all about the priority. And Tina make us say President Mahama a time. Maybe if you say very soon people will realize that the biggest mistake that we did as a country is to vote for President Mahama to come and spend this 4 years, or taking decisions just for his the image, his personal image, but not the collective
good of the country.
The good of the country.
And this year, no, sir, 6 lane expressway, no, for you who call a hono as road minister, no, wako hunu a quine send ye day. Nneɛma ne nneɛma ekomu ansa na contract no kwaye de ama ene nkomodi ebe kom ene nneɛma a ɛwɔ sɛ compensation a wo kan ne ade nyina ansa na kwan no kra aba no emfie miensa akai no can you say ebi kra on betimi aye maybe 100 kilometers or 200 or more is it feasible?
So already President Mahama Beka said obi wie sa project na ansa na of office in 2028 no. Because it's not possible.
Okay.
And then me can okay, I say me show letter come on.
Yeah.
I stated in the letter that it's not feasible. Because at that time, that's about a year ago, when I'm kind. You see, it's not feasible. Up to now, even feasibility studies crowd into me.
I just had the bit my yam and I
Exactly.
Can't be an so Ghana chess.
Yeah, you be a senior. Almost so President Mahama said you will start the construction this year. But even if you start construction this year, you can never finish that project on a greenfield 200-kilometer highway, 6 lane. to be completed within 3 years. It's not possible. But meanwhile, the existing road no ever home. We na show no we AI designs. AI designs. But existing road no. Me back Kumasi na mfa so buy you. What accident I see was?
Yeah, too much.
Traffic was.
Ghana's global competitiveness.
Now I become we are out of force and say, me pet as anti for 70. A beer some interchange. Now say, ya near a road minister say, Sikeniho.
Okay. To a mobile and
two. A chair me come once and was say one, case two, was a three, but we video no, because two.
Yeah.
You see, it wasn't by chance any develop a designing say about 4 tier. Kumasi ha and ne maybe traffic. Traffic over beer one. Beer icho.
Ampa is ya bro.
Entino
one free muntama.
Answer na ye designing sa 4 tier. Ye what we call traffic survey. In beer ubia soya no pa.
Onam
Bebia ejuma wa critical points are in padodo na efa
echo.
So I'm interchanging the major inflow traffic from Isrim. Back the city center. The business is free in Kanyaba before airport. Before junction. So until we do na traffic no I so bad. Until here traffic survey no, and they recommend they say for the current and the future growth of Kumasi. It is important that we have a 4-tier interchange. I feel yet to almost say there be among 4-tier ni bi on be any 2-tier. You say almost on be any 3-tier. But will it solve the problem? It will not solve the problem.
The problem is for a 4-tier.
Exactly. But the critical point I want to make is say, Minister, this is Sikeniho.
Sikeniho.
In this Sikeniho, Adena, Roda, Ewa Akaka Krabia Mia, no, Ufesicano, Enkoshini, Nakakra councils, over other important rules in a woman. These are the economic prudence in economic management. Make a wasam. Entino, me fisa no man kuye. Me fisa no man kuye.
Oh, I'm not sure if you. Modi